Hi, we will be making this greeting card today. It's a pop-up greeting card. To make this greeting card, I'll be using different techniques. One of it is the texture plate for the tree trunk. I'll be using stencil and sand for the leaves. And I'll also be using stamp pads and clear stamps. It's also going to be a pop-up card. So I've just brought this twig. Let's start with the stencil. Take some Fevicol in a plate. You'll need around that much for each leaf. So place the leaf where you want it. Either hold it firmly or use masking tape to secure the stencil. I just prefer to do each leaf separately and then wash it and then start over. So I'm not going to stick it. I'm using a sponge because by using brush, there is a chance that we spread the Fevicol too much. And then it might not come out very well. Once we do that, carefully take it out. Always place it on a paper. Sprinkle the sand. And then why I said paper is because of this. Just put the sand back into it. So this way you will not waste. If you do not apply the Fevicol properly, then you will have some gaps. Now I'm just going to use some other color. You can just have a look at this one. If you don't put the Fevicol properly, you will get it this way. You can also use paint. For paint as well, I've used sponging. If you want, you can even use a roller or a paintbrush, but sometimes it can smudge when you're using a brush, so you have to be very careful. I just like to use the sponge. Next, we'll be doing the texture plate. For that, I need to mask the areas which I don't need. I want the tree trunk to be 3 centimeters. So I'll use masking tape and cover the rest of it. Same on the other side. It doesn't have to be exact actually. It's just a tree trunk. Now place the texture plate underneath. That can be loose, need not. And I'm using the texture plate vertically. So as I color, you will see the textures appearing. Okay. Now let me carefully remove the masking tape. Lightly do a edge. Okay. Now we'll fold and we'll mark 1 centimeter from either side. So we will cut this portion, and this one we have to fold. So we have a score line, so we fold it there and fold it on the other side, both ways. And when you open, just push it. Okay. So we have our tree trunk. The next step is to use the leaf stamp and have some leaves for the tree. I also have something for the branch. Okay. So I'm going to use this color. Always before you use the color, you can just check it on some other sheet, and if you're happy with the color, you can just proceed. I'm just going to stamp continuously because I want that faded effect. I have all these different colors. I'll just make it colorful. Okay. You get nice mix of shades if you overlap the colors, but it might leave a stain on your stamp pads. If you don't mind that, you can do it. Now we need to fix the branch for the pop-up, and I've made a bird. I drew this myself, but you can also just take a printout and cut it. It's not important to draw it on your own. So just see the placement. Here will be nice. Once you decide that, just mark it over here. I'm just going to make a slit. Okay, so you have to make sure that when you close the card, it shouldn't jut out. So pull it back, and it has to be glued on the top edge. So this edge. So at the back of this, you'll have a tape. Okay. So flat. And now for the bird. Let's use a marker and make that brown so it doesn't look obvious. So once that mechanism is right, whenever you open the card, it's just going to be here. Now we have to fix it to the outer color. Now that the bird is fixed and everything is dry, let's just stick the front side of it. So there you have your card. It's loaded with techniques. I hope you'll try it and really enjoy. And if you did like the video, please do subscribe to my channel. Watch my other videos as well. Happy watching!